guys, welcome again to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. And I will be showing you how to make a tank. And I'm playing with my brother. Say hello, brother.
Hello.
This is my youngest brother. And I will shoot the fire. Fire. And there we go, it's shooting fire. See? Shooting fire. Do that. Just jump and jump if you want.
This is
And I will be showing you how to make
okay
now. And what you need is green wool, a gray wool, one water bucket, a rail, a button, cobblestone slab, cobblestone stairs, sign, and this thing again, cobblestone wall, dispenser, and your bullet, and your glass. There we go. Let's make. What are you doing? Yeah. And I will be showing you how to make now. What you need is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and do this 2 and 3. There we go. And put a rail over here. And 3 blocks away. In the part block, place again a gray wool. 5 blocks. 3 on the top. Put the rail. And this is a little design. Put some button. There we go. And there we go. Probably you need stone or anything. It's not important. Put over there, and upside downstairs, and put like that, and do this, and do that, and do that. And get the stone, do that, and get your dispenser. So dispenser. There we go. And put a sign. Put a sign and shut. Oh, I forgot. The sun. Hey, what just happened? Did you put it?
Yes.
Put the.
Hindi na bullet.
Okay. And we're almost done, guys. Put another one over here. Hey, what's doing? Wait a minute, guys. Let's just put it over here. One. Oh. One. You put over here. Oh, what's happening? Like that. And put over here. Put a slab over here. 2 slab over here. 2 slab again over here. And my brother will putting that. And get your
Barilan.
cobblestone wall. Do that. 3. And get your glass. Put it in there. Let's put the ammo. My father already put it and just put the ammo. And we're done. And put a pressure plate over the top of the dispenser and see it shoots fireball. And see that? Shooting fireball. And if you want, put a block of berry and get a lever. Put it over here and do that. But over here it's not.
Stop, brother.
And there we go.
Another jump is going to.
Destroy.
Yes.
No worry, we make another one.
Okay.
And that's how you make a tank, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.